humor and personality, it's comes to being comfortable in your own skin. It comes to realizing that you aren't really being judged by your listener. It comes from understanding that your listener's probably going to get more out of it if they know who you are. It comes to just understanding that if you really want to serve that person, you kind of have to entertain them. So we go to, a lot of us, we go to comedy shows. You might have been to a comedy show lately. I'm not sure. A lot of us go to a comedy show, or you go to a virtual comedy show. You watch your favorite comedian on Netflix, and we like to laugh sometimes. And I'll be honest, like when you go to a comedy show, you do. I mean, I think you're like me, and you get it kind of, you follow along with the story that person's sharing, and you, that humor brings a lot of funny to it. And it also helps you to remember one person that I like. His name is Brian Regan. He's one of the only clean comedians that I know. And there's a lot of funny jokes of his. And one of them was this like random refrigerator joke. And I can recite the entire refrigerator joke. I mean, I'll give you part of it now because it's just kind of funny. He comes into a refrigerator salesperson, and he's like, what does the refrigerator salesperson say? He walks in, and the guy goes, hey, check this out. Keeps your food cold for 300. But I got something better. Come down here. This one right here keeps your food cold for 600. Got something better. Check it out. Keeps your food cold 1,200. And he goes into random facts about that refrigerator, right? He's talking about the refrigerator being so great. I mean, we really got to sell. He's really working me on this. He goes, he's really trying to sell me on this. He talks about how the refrigerator has all of these features that makes it worth, 4 times the amount as the $300 refrigerator. And he's like, check this out. Like, this one's got an egg area. So you never have to know, you never have to figure out where your eggs are. You just come home and you're like, hey, honey, where's the eggs? And she's like, right in the egg area, right? He's going through all of this, and it is just interesting because it's like, he's right. Why are some refrigerators so cheap and some are so expensive? I've got a cousin of mine who lives in Hawaii, and I think he works with like $20,000 refrigerators that buy the food, like automatically just keep itself stocked by going to online and ordering the food for you. You've got pictures and cameras, so you can look at it from anywhere in the world, and you're like, oh, do we have meat in there? Oh, has my son or my daughter taken any of those beers while I was out of town? Snuck any of those beers or something like that. So they've got all these features. And the point that I'm trying to make about the egg area and the refrigerator salesman is we enjoy comedy. You enjoy comedy. You enjoy some good banter, just like the rest of us.